Hi guys, good afternoon and welcome to my channel. Today, Igbo people, my Igbo people, both at home and in diaspora, I greet you all.
Ta ta Igbo kwenu kwenu kwezuonụ.
Ndị Igbo ndị be anyị, eji m aka na onye ọbụla nọ mma ebe ọbụla nọ ugbu a were na-ahụ ihe anyị na-eme n'igwe onyonyo YouTube n'ụbọchị nke taa. Amasị nke onye chiri ya zere. Taa bụ ụbọchị ndị nze na ọzọ, ndị ichie, ndị nwere aha otutu dị iche iche. Taa bụ ụbọchị unu. Today is a day for titled men. Those that have title names, today is your day. You're welcome to my channel. Aka m bụkwa Nwaada Adaeze Ono, onye na-ewetara unu ihe dị iche iche, ihe iche iche n'onyonyo YouTube a. Amasị unu. Daalụnụ ndị ọma. Ọ dị mma. Na nke taa, anyị ga-eleba anya n'aha otutu dị iche iche. Aha otutu, aha nze ma aha ọzọ, aha ndị ichie, aha otutu ma ndị ntorobịa na-enwegasị n'ala Igbo. Ọ dị mma. Nke mbụ bụ akụ ruo ụlọ. Akụ ruo ụlọ. Akụ ruo ụlọ. When wealth enters the home, when wealth gets into the home, akụ ruo ụlọ, ife emebesịa. Akụ ruo ụlọ, things will start happening. When wealth enters the home, things will begin to happen. Things will begin to. Mmiri enwe ilo. Mmiri enwe ilo. The meaning of mmiri enwe ilo is water has no enemy. Water does not have any enemy. Mmiri enwe ilo. Adịma. Ọzọ bụ Idejimba. Idejimba, one of any town. Idejimba, one. Okay. Idejimba, one of Joto, or Idejimba, one of Sude, or Idejimba, one of Abatete, or Idejimba, one of Umunochi, or Idejimba, one of Ogo, or Idejimba, one of Ungo, any town, any man can bear this name. Idejimba is a great name. It all means a strong man holding a territory, a strong man holding a nation, a strong man holding a land, a strong man holding a set of people. Another one is Omego. Omena cash. Omego means someone that is always dealing in cash. Someone that is always dealing in cash. Plenty money. Plenty money. Anytime you see him, he's always looking for who to spray money. Omena cash. Omego. The next one is Odalije. Odalije means someone that whenever you see him, he always have something to give you. Odalije. Whenever you see him, you will not go empty-handed. He will give you something you'll be happy and grateful for. Odalije. Just like a ripe palm fruit on the tree, it begins to fall off. Whenever it's ripe, before you know it, it begins to fall off. The fruits, one by one, they'll be falling off from the bunch. So we liken it to Odalije. This person always has something to give out. He always has something to give out. Anybody that has this title name, I hail you. Pocket never run dry. The next one is Omenoko. Omenoko means someone that does doings
when there is scarcity. Omenu comment, someone that supports financially when there is scarcity of money. Someone that's always rendering financial assistance when there is scarcity of money. Omenu or omenuko. Ọ dị mma. Ọzọ bụ idejimba. Idejimba means a prominent man holding a territory. A prominent man holding a territory. Or a prominent man holding a land. Or a prominent man holding a state. Ọzọ bụ akajimba. Akajimba. A prominent man that is always supporting the community in business. Akajimba. A strong man that is always a strong and prominent man that is always supporting and helping to improve the community business wise. Akajimba. Ọzọ bụ omemgboji. Omemgboji means someone who supports when he has money. He is always there to support whenever he has the money. Omemgboji. Another one is Nzechinyere. Nzechinyere. Nzechinyere means title given by God, prestige given by God. Nzechinyere. Another one is Ikemba. Ikemba means the strength of the nation, strength of a state, strength of a territory. And this Ikemba is actually given to a person that defends a race. Take for instance, the person that defended the Igbo race. The person that defended the Igbo race was the one given this title. Ikemba Nnewi, that's late Ojukwu, late Dumegu Ojukwu. Ikemba. Ọzọ bụ Anonefungu. Anonefungu. Anonefungu means a land that grows strong trees. Strong trees. A land that grows strong trees. This title was given to late Chusisi Ono, former governor of the old Anambra State. Ọ dị mma. Ọzọ bụ Omeluoha. Omeluoha. Omeluoha means a prominent man that uses his personal fund to support community projects or to help the entire community. Is a strong man, a prominent man, a holding man that's always there in public service, that's always trying to use his own wealth, to enrich others. Omeluoha. Omeluoha. If they call you Omeluoha, just know that you're a man for the people. Omeluoha. Another one is Omekania. Omekania. Omekania means a person that behaves exactly like his father. Omekania. Omekania. Ọzọ bụ Agbarongele. Agbarongele. It means after polluting water. After polluting water, now the completion of Agbarongele. Agbarongele ekuruwangele ngo. After polluting the water, you still drink the water, meaning you have no other option. So instead of polluting water, you just allow it. Just allow it. Agbarosiangele ekuruwangele ngo. Another one is Ebubedike. Ebubedike. Ebubedike means the glory of the mighty. The glory of the mighty. Ebubedike. Another one is Ijelenwoke. Ijele nwoke, a very strong and brave man. Ijele nwoke, a very strong and brave man. Ijele is likened, okay, this name is likened to a masquerade called Ijele, Mmong Ijele. Mmong Ijele is the strongest, Mmong Ijele is the highest masquerade ever known in Igbo land. A huge masquerade. Oh, the man. Another one is Odogu. Odogu means a very, a very huge man. Odogu. Odogwu, a very strong man, a very brave man. Odogwu. Ikaraka, sị gị, Ikaraka, na ịbụ odogwu. Na Ikaraka, ịbụ odogwu. Were aka. A na-etogiri afa. Odogwu. Holy man. Another one is Obie. Obata Obie. Oh. This is for peaceful people. This title name is always given to people that are so peaceful. They are peacemakers in the community. Obata Obie. Whenever you enter, every other case is suspended and settled. Because what? The peacemaker has arrived. Obata Obie. Obata Obie. Another one is Omihuku. Omihuku. Omihuku means the one that does great things. The one that does great and mighty things. Omihuku. Omihuku. I call my God Omihuku. He does more than great things. Another one is Okwuru Okarisia. Okwuru Okarisia. Okwuru Okarisia means when he stands tall and taller and tallest, and no one can ever get to his height. Okwuru Okarisia. When he stands, every other person becomes short. Okwuru Okarisia. Ọ dị mma, ebe a ka anyị ga-akwụsị ihe omume anyị nke ụbọchị taa. Eji m aka n'isonyere m nke ọma dịka anyị mere ihe gbasara aha otutu dị iche iche a na-etu ụmụ nwoke n'ala Igbo. Thank you for viewing my channel activity today. As we discussed the various title names given to men, the various title names for Igbo men. Thank you for following me. I do hope you will give your own man a title today and maintain it. Calling them by their title names gives them joy. I urge us to keep calling our men their title names. It gives them joy. It really gives them joy. Darling, thank you all. Till next time.